Hi lovelies, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are fine. Happy new week. So we have another order for Shane to unbox. Okay, so I bought this for Shane, and there are also coupon code you can use, like I always said. Okay, so the first thing here is this paper. It's so beautiful, so nice. The material is so good and so cool. When you touch it, it feels so cool on your hand, and it's so nice. I got it in size large. As you can see, it's very big so that when I wear something inside, there will still be space. I will not be suffocated. That's why I got it in size large. Normally I wear M. So the other one is this pants, whether a trouser, so it's so good. This is size M, so I wear size M. So this one is so beautiful. The material is really nice, and it's so gay. It don't have any pocket. I love if it come with pocket, but it not gonna get pocket, but it's still fine. I love it. It fits perfectly well on my body. Okay, so it's size M. All the other clothes that I got is size M. It's only the jacket and the paper that is size SL, because I'm going to wear something inside. So when I wear something inside and wear the jacket, there will still be space. Okay, so this one is also another beautiful trouser in color white. That's why it's so transparent. You can't see it because the color is kind of white. So and this one came with pockets, and I really like it. The material is also good, and it's size M as well. So this is size M, and I like it. I can wear S if I want to, but if you want, I just want to be comfortable in whatever I'm wearing. So that's why I go for size M. So this one is another one. Let's see, what is this? Let's see. Okay, yeah, this one is a shirt, like a sweater, like just normal shirt, not a sweater, just normal shirt, and it's so beautiful. The material is also good, and I got it in size M because I'll be wearing it inside if I wear pepper or jacket. Okay, so let's see, what is this. I think this is a trouser that matches with the top. So yeah, it's a trouser that matches with the top, and it's so beautiful, guys. I'm still going to get the pepper. I'm still going to get the pepper, so that I'll just wear it complete. And the trouser is so beautiful. Look at them, they look so nice, and it's so beautiful. The design is amazing. The color, the white and the gray, whatever color it is really nice, and it's also affordable for Shein. With your coupon code, if you have money in your wallet or anything at all. So this is the jacket that I got. Also, I got this in size L because it's a jacket, and I'm going to be wearing something inside before I wear the jacket. That's why I got it inside L. So yeah, if you want to be perfectly fitted, you can get it inside M. So I'm going to wear it for you guys so you can see how fit it is. It's really good, guys. I like it. I'm also going out to pick the kids for school, so this is how I'm just going, just like this, and it fits perfectly well. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. Please don't forget to follow, subscribe, share this video to your friends, to everyone around you. Okay, her video is coming soon. I have a lot going on my page, on my channel, guys, like a lot going on there. So just pick the one that you like. I'll be watching. If you like unboxing, hair, how to grow your hair, baking soda, all those things, they are very nice. Going to help you to relax. Unboxing video like this. So just follow my page, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so here I got this one from my son. If they are going to Jita, they are going out of school, so can use to put his lunch inside. So it's a ziploc bag. And also got this comb. It came with this hem was that you can use to to slick down your hair, your wig, whatever you want to use it for. So it came with that, it came with this one together. Okay, so that is it. Everything I bought from Shein. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow, share. This one is really good. I like it. I really need it for my wig, so that's why I decided to get one for myself. And it came with a lot of free gift, lot of comb, brushes, and all that. So this one is just hair band to bind your hair, to put your hair together. So that is all I bought from Shein. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow, subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my video. Bye bye. Ciao.